In this quick video, I'll show you how to copy and paste part of an image in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So let's suppose I want to create copy of this head from tiger. So for that, firstly select your image, then enable this tool which is quick selection tool, or you can use shortcut key as W on your keyboard. Once you select this tool, drag on the part which you want to create copy of. I want to create copy of this head. I'll drag on the head. Once you make selection of your part, right click on that selection and click on layer via copy. Now you can drag the part and your copy has been created, or instead you can use second method. For that, firstly make selection, then hit Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste the part, and there you go, I have pasted the part from my image. You can press Ctrl V multiple times to create multiple copies of that part. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.